Hello and welcome to a new video of division, and in this division we will divide this 4 digits number by 7 and watch it carefully because the video can take a little bit more time to complete, and I would prefer to explain it slowly so that the process can be understood by any age. Let's get started. So the math can be visible here. We are dividing 2289, which I'm going to put inside a cage. This is the cage. I prefer to put always the number that will be divided inside the cage, and the divider here is 7, so I'll put the divider here. And as we know that we always need to when we are doing division, we are starting from the left hand side, the most left, and then gradually after this one, then this one, and then this one. Of course this may come down, which will be that we will see. If this one is bigger than 7, then we don't need any number together, but this looks, for example, it looks smaller than 7, so we need 2 numbers together. In the first process, 22, I mean here 22. Of course, I will use, whenever needed, I will use help side, but as this is a bigger number, we will do it slowly, as I said earlier. So now you can see that 2 is smaller than 7, so single digit is not enough here. We will take another digit on the right side, and we will include it like this. It became now 22, and 22 can be divided by divider 7, easily can be divided. This is 22 is now a bigger number than 7. So how many times 7 goes over 22? If we check the 7 times table, for example, if I check it here, 7 times table, how does it go? Let me find it out. 7 times 1 equals 7. We are planning to go very close to 22 or equal to 22. So until we are going very close to 22, we will continue times table counting. We will continue multiplying 7 with other numbers. I mean, we got only 7 here, so we will continue more. Our idea is to go very close to 22 or equal to 27 times 2 equals 14. This is fine, still smaller than 22. And then 7 times 3, is it bigger than 22 or smaller than 22? Let me find it out. 21, so it's still smaller than 22. This is still fine, and we can easily understand that If we go to 7 times 4, it will definitely give us a bigger number, and we are not going to use that. 7 times 4 equals 28. In here, we cannot use 7 times 4 because 28 is bigger than this 22. So we need to take the previous one, not the 28, but 21 is fitting very well with 22, so we will take 7 times 3 countable. 7 times 3. Let's go and put it there, then it will be more clear to you. So when we multiply 7 by 3, we get 21 here. 7 times 3 equals 21. Now we need to do subtraction, meaning 22 minus 21. So we get only 1 here. 1 here. As you can see, I'll take it a little bit straighter. We need to follow the straighter line. Otherwise the result will not come correct. In this issue we have to be very careful. So in here I put according to the rule. So 2 minus 2 is 0, so we don't need to write that 0 here. Now we have 1 here, and we have the divider 7. 1 cannot be divided by divider 7. It's not possible. We need to make this one a little bit bigger number. How can we make it? Do we have any help, any more number who can come down with us? Here we can see that we have 8, and this 8 can come down and join with this 1, so it became 18. It came down like this. So this 8 came down and joined with 1. We have now 18, and can 18 be divided by 7? Yes, of course 18 can be divided by 7. And how many times? How many times? We have done few times table here of 7 already. As you can see, when we are counting 7 times 1, 7 is pretty small. 7 times 2, 14, still fits well, smaller than 18. But 7 times 3, this time 7 times 3 is bigger than 18, so we cannot go with 7 times 3. We need to go to the previous times table row, which is 7 times 2 equals 14, because we are trying to get very close to 18 or equal to 18. Therefore, we are getting 7 times 2 equals 14. We need to put the times table number first. We have 7 times 2. These, you need to be very careful putting these numbers, because from here the answer will come from this side. So without putting these numbers, never put this in advance. First put these number first, then you take these numbers. When you do more and more, then of course this will be easier. So anyway, 7 times 2, we got 14 here, 14. And when we go for a balance, what balance we get here? Let's take it as a half sign, mark it like this. We get only 4. 8 minus 4 equals 4. And 1 minus 1 equals 0. So no need to write that one, but 8 minus 4 equals 4. And we can see 4 is smaller than divider 7. 4 is smaller, so do we have more numbers to join with 4? By coming down, we have 9 here. 9 can come down and join with these 4. So 9 came down and joined with this 4. It became now 49. 49 is a bigger number that can be divided by this divider 7. It is possible. And how many times this divider 7 can go on 49? Let's find it out. Okay, we continue with times table then to see how many times it goes close to 49 or equals to 49 as a match, same number. If we are able to find same number like 49, okay, I'll use the pen by going below. We have done here until 7 times 4 we got 28. When we do 7 times 5, how much we get? 35. Still smaller than 49. 7 times 6, we get 42. Still, this is smaller than 49. Let's go onward more. 7 times 7, we get 49. It is a same number. It's a match. We have there 49 and 7 times 7. We found here 49 as well. So to put, before putting 49, we must count this 7 times 7 there. Then we put 49. I'll show you there. So when we put 7 here, we have times 7, then we can put 49 here, and the balance is a 0. So the math is completed, and we can say this way that 2289 divided by 7, the answer is 327. I will write it clearly below. The math was 2289 divided by 7 equals how much we got there? 327 probably. Yes, 327. It is 327. And this 327 is the answer. We need to write it clearly like these so that we get full marks in mathematics. So I believe even though this is a 4 digits division, but the process is completely understood by you, and you will do it yourself on paper, then it will be more and more clear. And till today, this is all. Thank you for watching this video, and hope you will join me to my next video. Till then, bye bye.